Hey everyone! Are you over 40 and feeling like your memory isn't what it used to be? Don't worry, you're not alone. As we age, our brain, just like any other part of our body, starts to show signs of wear and tear. Today, I'm here to share some tips that can help rejuvenate your brain and boost your cognitive functions. Now let's tackle this together. First off, maintaining a healthy lifestyle is key. This isn't just about what you eat or how much you exercise, but it's about holistic well-being. Let's break it down. Number 1, aim for 7-9 hours per night. Sleep is when your brain detoxes and repairs itself. It's like hitting the reset button for your brain every night. Number 2, get moving. Exercise increases blood flow to the brain, which helps to nourish those brain cells with oxygen and nutrients. Even a brisk walk can do wonders. Number 3, our brains don't like stress. Meditation not only reduces stress, but also improves your memory and attention span. Number 4, engaging with loved ones and helping others can boost your mood and keep your brain sharp. It's all about those positive vibes. Number 5, for many, spiritual health is just as important as physical health. It provides a sense of peace and purpose. Number 6, incorporate foods into your diet that are rich in antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids. Also, I want to talk about a supplement called Imuregen. It contains nucleotides and essential amino acids that support brain health by promoting the synthesis of new proteins and aiding in the development of new brain cells. Always remember to consult your doctor before starting any new supplement. And remember, prevention is better than cure, especially when it comes to brain health. Join our Forever Healthy family, and let's make brain health a priority together. So what do you think? Ready to give your brain the boost it needs? Drop a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips. Stay sharp, stay healthy.